Hi, my name is Robin. I'm the Maker Pilot Captain of OneMaker Group. OneMaker Group is a company that runs the Prototyping Lab at National Design Center. And my role primarily is to help clients to prototype their ideas, conceptualize, and hopefully develop them within the lab. The vision for OneMaker Group is to help entrepreneurs, designers, and makers all over Asia to come and amplify their collective brilliance. We wanted to set out a platform to help people to discover their passion in making. So the main activities in the lab encompass learning journeys, student innovation programs, prototyping service, helping to run hackathons, and even doing makerspace consultancy. One of the highlight programs that we run at OMG was called Maker Apprenticeship Program. This is a 3-month-long program where we open up to the public, regardless of age, to come in and join and learn the tips and tricks about making itself. They actually build small projects to help them develop their skills. Maker Apprenticeship Program has run for 4 times this time around, and we actually have a few projects that help solve real-world problems. There was one project that looks into helping people to design a cup that filters water in countries that are undeveloped using 3D prints. One of the projects that was done within the lab was a Braille printer that we worked with organization NCSS in this case to actually help develop this for the blind. So we worked with the makers at the space using our facilities at the lab to actually develop this prototype. It was done over a period of about 6 months, and it's actually quite well done with most of the parts being done at the lab itself. Moving forward, I think OneMaker Group is looking to actually help develop makerspaces not just in the land but in the sea through our Coastal Innovator Apprenticeship Program. This is so that we can help develop more maritime solutions and even research studies for schools to actually take on. We're also looking to go into retail, having an outlet in the heart of Singapore to actually help makers to publicize their product, help them to gain some traction, and hopefully develop their passion in certain different various areas of making as well.